Hello, and welcome to ASQ Quality Management Division's Video Learning Series presentation of Creating a Short Video Vignette Using PowerPoint. We will talk about why this type of presentation may be used, and then show the main steps, followed by a walkthrough of those steps. It seems recursive, but we will show you how to make a video by making a video. So we will go through these steps with you. First, choose something with 1 to 3 core ideas, 15 minutes worth. Build out your slides in the PowerPoint template, but not over 12. Write your speaker notes and plan what you want to say. Practice your delivery. And then using PowerPoint under slideshow, go one slide at a time and narrate your notes as a voiceover. Export it to an MP4 video at whatever resolution makes sense to you. Proof and listen to your video, open the PowerPoint slides, and make any corrections one slide at a time, and then re-export to an MP4. Most people have so little time to learn things, they need something short and sweet. Thankfully, Microsoft has provided tools in PowerPoint to make this easy. Your topic needs to contain not more than 3 to 4 key points. 3 is ideal. You do not need to stick with 15 slides if they're short. The total time is more important. When making a video, you may need to slow down your normal speaking voice. Those watching your video are processing both audio and visual inputs, and they may need some time to process things. There are many sources of images available across the internet. Just be sure not to use images that belong to others by copyright. By using a mixture of text, speech, and images, you can hold people's interest. So you may think that you can just talk freely, but we usually speak in ways that do not translate well to video. We use ums and ahs, for example, and this can be distracting. Also, there are some ideas that travel best in word form. Think about a book that you like that did not work well in a film format. At the same time, if your speech does not follow the words and images at least a little bit, people will become confused and lost. So try to follow what you're saying in the text as well. Now we are looking at the flow of your ideas and your choice of idiomatic phrases. For example, I could say in US English, make it snappy. But those from another culture might not realize that I meant to say, move more quickly. Just try to use simple language that expresses your ideas. Refinement can come later. Now it is time to record. Be sure your microphone works and the volume is good. Keep your head in the same position relative to the microphone as you record several slides and as you re-record them. This helps in continuity. Click on the record here, shown on arrow number 1, to see the record panel, and from then click on From Beginning, which is arrow number 2. There are several controls visible here. You can experiment with them to see what they do. You can erase your recording on just one slide, or you can erase from the start. When you start recording, you click on the red button. Your speaker notes that you have typed below the slide images now appear at the top of the screen. The controls change as you progress. You can stop the recording. Usually it'll be a red square at the top. Or you can replay the recording to listen to yourself after you've stopped it. And that would be the number 4 arrow there. And you can erase a single slide recording and redo it. That would be under the number 5 arrow. When you want to move on to the next slide, click on the little arrow at the bottom where it says the number 6 arrow is pointing at it. So when you're done with this, then you exit the recording screen and you go to the upper left tab in PowerPoint called File, arrow number 1. Choose Export, arrow number 2, and then choose Create a Video, arrow number 3. And then choose your file size. Full HD or standard may be best, but it is really up to you what kind of resolution you want to export. Proofreading is necessary, as we often miss key aspects of our work. It can help to sleep on it and then rewatch the video. You will very often find one or more slides need to be recreated. It's easy to do this by going back to the PowerPoint file, go to Record, move to the slides that need work, and just redo those slides, and then export it again. So try it out. Let us know if you have any questions. After all, we can easily adjust this video now that we have this PowerPoint file. You may contact me, Douglas Wood, at the email below. We'd like to thank you for watching our video. Again, we have many other videos available in My ASQ under the QMD, so check them out. See what we've got for you. And again, thanks.